On March 7, 1961, the German Bundestag met for the first time in West Berlin. The Soviets considered it a provocative move and did their best to disrupt transport to and from West Berlin.
For the first time since the Red Blockade of West Berlin in 1948, access routes to the city are shut down by the communists. Soviet authorities gave varied reasons for this new blockade, including the one that traffic would interfere with East German war games. But the real reason, obviously, was communist resentment over a meeting of the German parliament in West Berlin. They did all in their power to harass this demonstration of democracy in action. As the Bundestag met, Russian MiG fighter planes swooped over the city, at times darting to within a few hundred feet of Congress Hall where the meeting was being held. The fighter pilots buzzed commercial airliners, disrupted air transport, and broke windows on the ground as they shattered every safety regulation. The Reds lost. Parliament stayed in session until its scheduled recess.